Vehicle certification consists of laws and regulations that help ensure that motor vehicles sold meet specific safety standards, fuel economy, and emissions regulations. An organization has certification requirements when changing the size of the tires on a completed vehicle, installing equipment on a new completed vehicle, and mounting or modifying a truck body on a new incomplete chassis, to name just a few scenarios. Under federal regulations, manufacturers are required to certify the vehicles they build, which includes affixing certification labels. Improper certification can result in penalties for both the company and individuals. Using WorkTruckCert to complete your vehicle certifications reduces errors often found in handwritten labels. Remember, WorkTruckCert is free to use. The only thing you're paying for is your labels, which, if you are certifying your vehicles properly, you already are. Now we're going to go over how to create vehicle profiles using WorkTruckCert. If you aren't already logged in, navigate your browser to WorkTruckCert.com and log in. To start a vehicle profile, simply enter your VIN and click on Get Started. Your next step is to enter the vehicle information as shown on this screen. The fields with a red asterisk are required. A work order is the only optional field on this page. There is a drop-down for each field, so you would just select the appropriate chassis type, body type, and so on, eliminating the need to type everything in. On this screen is where you will put in your certification details for this vehicle profile. You can select Final Stage, Intermediate Stage, or Altered Stage certification and label type here. The blank laser printer label stock that you order on the shop page will work for all three types of certification. Next, select your dates for conformity and manufacturer or alteration completion date and click Save and Continue. Your next step is to add the axles to your vehicle. You simply click on Add an Axle and fill in all of the info. You can also duplicate the info for additional axles with the Save and Repeat feature. The next screen is asking for the tire and loading information, which is required for vehicles with a GVWR of 10,000 pounds or less. If this information is completed, you will also be able to print your vehicle placards, as well as your load carrying capacity modification labels from this vehicle record. This next screen will be your body and equipment installed. Note that there's just one required field on this page, again indicated by the red asterisk. The rest of your vehicle attributes on this page are optional. This information will not print on your certification label, but it will be saved with this vehicle record for archiving and conformance purposes. This next step is optional. You can use this feature to upload files to this vehicle profile, such as an IVD, customer work order, photos, any files you want to save to this vehicle record. Remember, WorkTruckCert is cloud-based, so the files you save with this record will not take up space in your own computer or office. At this point, you're ready to print your certification label. This screen gives you a summary of the vehicle you just created, and you will select your label to print. You can print your certification label, your tire placard, and/or your load carrying capacity modification labels from here. Since the blank laser printer label stock has 4 label positions, you're able to send it through your printer more than once, so you will select which position you're ready to print to for this vehicle from here. The same goes for your other label types. They will all have as many label print positions as there are labels on the sheet. When you click Print, WorkTruckCert will generate a PDF so you can review the label that will print before you send it to your printer to print on the label sheet. This concludes our tutorial on how to certify vehicles using WorkTruckCert. Please contact us for any assistance by sending us an email to support@worktruckcert.com.